Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Capricorns. So we have the King of Cups on your side. So let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with, Capricorns. Energies of the person you are dealing with. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles on your person's side. The most likely outcome for this situation is the Queen of Swords. Okay. So as far as these three cards are concerned, we have the King of Cups on your side. A lot of emotional stability, a lot of emotions as well as emotional stability, I should say, for this person. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Ten of Pentacles. So definitely they're wanting commitment, family, and it's like wanting a long-term relationship, definitely. The most likely outcome is the Queen of Swords. So this is a little bit of a detached or a cold energy. We'll clarify what that is, but then yes, it is talking about some sort of logical thinking also. Okay, maybe this person is trying to think about something, analyzing something, thinking something logically. Okay, we'll see what that is. Okay, so let's clarify the King of Cups on your side, Aries. The Justice card had flown out. Okay, let's clarify the King of Cups on your side. So for the King of Cups, we have just seen the Justice really wants to come out and say something. The Justice, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords. Okay. So for the Ten of Pentacles on your person's side, we have the Moon, the Emperor, and the Queen of Wands. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords as the most likely outcome. We have the Ten of Swords, okay, the Six of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. So Capricorns, as far as you are concerned, for the King of Cups, we have the Justice, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords. So you are wanting to sort out your life. You're wanting to balance your life in some way, shape or form, and wanting a new beginning. And while you are balancing your life, you are leaving behind something. Okay, you are leaving behind that phase of emotional turbulence of something which has been troubling you. Definitely you are not at peace with yourself. Okay, but now the thing is, you want to move towards peace. Okay, you want to move towards emotional stability. You want to move towards a new beginning, and that is what you are trying to stabilize your life. You're trying to balance your life, and you want to let go of the past, move towards a new beginning, sorting out your life, balancing your life, and wanting a new beginning which really has some deep roots to it. Okay, you really want to plant your life in a new way. You really want to have a new beginning which is stable, which is solid, and which is not a frivolous thing. Okay, so that it doesn't break your heart once again, something of that sort. Here we have, for the Ten of Pentacles, we have the Moon, the Emperor, and the Queen of Wands. So what I feel here is, this person is really interested in somebody here, in you maybe, but there is some lack of clarity here. There's something here, though this person intuitively knows that you like them, they like you, but that's what I feel, and they have a lot of attraction. But the thing is, there is some sort of uncertainty or a lack of clarity in this situation. As far as the commitment is concerned, or as far as the longevity of the connection is concerned, maybe that aspect is uncertain to them, can be that also. But definitely this person is really a confident person, maybe very very authoritative, can be dominating, but this person knows what they are doing. Okay, they have a lot of passion for themselves. They really have their shit together. Basically, this person knows what they are doing. Okay, they have that energy of being in a decisive position. Maybe that is what they are doing. They want to take a decision perhaps, but maybe there is some sort of lack of clarity, and that is why it is showing up here in the Queen of Swords that somebody is trying to understand the situation and think analytically also. For the Queen of Swords, we have the Ten of Swords, the Six of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. So everything is regarding a thought process. Okay, somebody is thinking deep to have a new beginning. Again with the Ten of Swords and the Six of Swords being there. So a lot of sword energy, lot of thinking is going on here. And this thinking seems to be regarding wanting a solid commitment. Stability. It's all about stability. Thinking is regarding stability and wanting the happy times back again. So done with whatever was in the past, done with whatever needs to be left behind, wanting the happy times once again, and just understanding and thinking as to how can those happy times be brought back, sort of. Can be reconciliation for some of you, can be going back to your ex, maybe a reconciliation for some of you. But if it is not a reconciliation, but then definitely wanting the happy times back again and really thinking about as to how you can achieve that. So let's see what is the message from this deck. Number 36 may be of some significance for you. Turn your heart light. Reflect upon a time when you experience love. Maybe that is what you are doing here with the Six of Cups, that you are reflecting upon a time when you really felt loved, and that is what you really want back in your life. Okay, so that is coming up as a message for you also, Capricorns. So hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.